Welcome. If you've been scrolling through your Facebook feed on your PC and found a page post that you'd rather not see, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you step by step through the process for removing a page post from your Facebook home feed using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your PC. You might notice that Facebook's desktop interface has changed a bit recently, so don't worry if things look different from before. On your main homepage, you'll see your feed featuring posts from friends, groups, and pages you follow. Next, scroll through your homepage until you find the post from the page you want to remove. Whether it's a promoted post or just something from a page you follow, you can tidy up your feed in just a few clicks. Once you've located the post, look to the top right corner of the post itself. You should see a small X icon. This icon might blend in a little, especially if you haven't used this feature before, but it's your key to controlling what appears in your feed. Go ahead and click on the X. After you click the X, Facebook will instantly remove that post from your home feed. You might also see a little pop-up window, giving you a few more options, such as hiding posts from this page in the future, or even unfollowing the page entirely if you don't want to see any more content from them. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can make your Facebook feed cleaner and more personalized to your taste. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you see something you'd rather not engage with. Keeping your feed tailored to what matters most to you is now easier than ever with Facebook's new update. Thanks for watching.